We're making dessert this time and it's going to be so easy na pag mag-request yung mga anak nyo, hindi kayo maka-no.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is from Bulacan and I'm just going to fancy it up a little bit by adding some butter, di ba? Kasi gusto natin na very creamy. And we start off with 6 eggs. Whisk it all together, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of cream, we're using all-purpose cream, 2 cups of milk, yan. Lalagyan din natin ng vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. And what's different, ito, traditionally, gumagamit sila ng crackers, no? Saltine crackers. And now, I'm just using breadcrumbs. No? Make it easy for me, I'm using breadcrumbs. Stir, stir, stir. And to replicate the taste of the crackers, just a teeny bit of salt. And, of course, para mas creamy yung gawa ko, I'm adding butter. So, the butter is not traditional. I'm adding the butter, melted butter. Yan. I will add it into my pot. So, we're making like a custard, no? Make sure everything's there. And it's called Pinaso because the top is bruleed, no? So, para siyang may caramelized sugar. So, para siyang pinabaliktad na leche flan. Pero para din siyang bread pudding of sorts. So, you have to be very careful, no? Keep stirring it. Kasi kung you don't want to end up with parang scrambled eggs, no? So, ito siya. Mataas yung heat ko now until the mixture becomes hot enough and I will turn it to low para to cream it up, no? So, magiging creamy siya. Pero if you cook it the whole time na nakamalakas yung apoy, mangyayari, magka-curdle siya, magbubuo siya, hindi siya magiging smooth. Bango na. I really smell the butter and the vanilla, no? And you want to serve this a bit chilled, no? So after this, you put it in the chiller, let it set, the fat in the cream and the butter, you'll let it firm up, no? Without having too much starch to thicken it. We're done, no? That's done. It's cooked. You don't want it to boil. You just want it to like have bubbles popping out every now and then. Flatten it out. So, ito na, for example, ito, if this was metal, initin ko siya dito, papasuin ko siya after I put my sugar. But I'm going to use a blowtorch to make my life so convenient and easy. I'm just sprinkling sugar. So, I have a half a cup of sugar. I don't have to use everything. I just have to use enough just to, you know, and cover it up and caramelize it. Blowtorch. Pwedeng may dayap. Wala lang akong dayap. And I will just brulee it, no? Not too near para hindi siya burn, no? Ayaw nating sunog, gusto nating caramelized. Diba? Parang, I'm sure natatakam kayo, no? Na-imagine nyo yung flavors ito. Kasi hindi siya out of this world. Kasi we all love custards, milk, eggs, sugar, diba? Bread. May bisita ka, no? Wala kang maisip gawin, you do this. Sobrang dali and I'm sure they will be impressed. And we're done! So, sobrang bilis lang ating dessert. Madaling gawin. Ingat kayo na hindi kayo mapaso sa ating Pinaso. And try this dessert at home. You will love it, you will enjoy it, and it's something you would love to share kasi pag may humingi sa'yo, ang daling gawin. Kaya, Pinaso, Simpol!